Hey gang, this is a new RB2SPD. It replaces the RB28, which ran your standard cutters. Also replaces the RB35, which ran your carbide cutters. This machine's features, as you can see, it's quite compact compared to the other two machines. We left the Honda engine on there because it's very dependable and very low maintenance, as you all well know. This machine also has a 2-speed selector switch. It runs 350 RPM for your carbide cutters, 150 RPM for your black coated cutters. I'm going to set this up and drill a hole with each of these so you can see how fast this actually drills. As you see, the selector is on 350 RPM, and that's for your carbide cutters. Switch it to 150 RPM, and that's for your black coated cutters. Hey gang, here's the RB2SPD. I'm going to drill a hole using the carbide bit first. And as you can see, the motor is mounted reverse to what you all are used to. So I'm going to change the selector to 350 RPM, turn the machine on. And just like all the other drills, you want full throttle and a nice easy pressure through the whole cut. And here's the same machine after selecting the 150 RPM with the speed.